In this video, we're going to be showing you how to clean a white hat. What you're going to need to start off is compact cleaner, brush, water, and a rag. First, what you're going to want to do is get your board brush. Brush off any excess dirt off the top. This will help out. Brush out any dirt and get it back into the hat. Next step, we're gonna get our cleaner. Shake it up a bit, get your brush, and then dip it into the warm water. Once that's soaked up, get your brush and then your cleaner. Just spray the brush up. Don't be shy with it. We're gonna start cleaning the hat. Before we go again, we're going to brush up all the suds. Again, dirt that got lifted up. And then repeat the process. I like to concentrate on a certain part of the hat to get it all clean rather than cleaning the whole hat at once. I'm satisfied with the brim right now, and I'm gonna move up to the top. You can put your hand under the hat, inside the hat, to give it some support while you're cleaning so it doesn't just collapse on you. The good thing with this board brush is that it doesn't tear up stitching. It's very delicate with this type of material, but it's durable enough to get deep inside and clean all the dirt and sweat stains. If you have some stubborn stains that are not coming off, you can get the cleaner itself and spray it on there and just let it sit there and continue with the hat. Let that soak in, and by the time you go back around, it should come off. We just finished up cleaning the hat. It's wet. We're gonna let it sit out and air dry. So here's the final product. The hat's all dried up. It's been air drying outside. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to pick up a compact cleaner, go right ahead. It's on Amazon Prime. It ships to you in 2 days. Thanks for watching.